Yo, what's up, everybody? So, the previous one didn't have any device audio and microphone, so you couldn't hear me talking. But, anyways, we're gonna be reacting to this. Here we go. Do I have full volume? Okay, I have full volume.
Come here. What are you doing?
Kiss, kiss.
No.
Want to kiss, kiss?
No, I don't want to kiss kiss.
Yes.
Did you just call me a bitch?
What?
What doing?
Bruh.
What are you doing?
Okay. Ew.
Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited.
What happened? Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Anyways, that's gonna be it for the reacting. If you want me to react to more shorts like this, make sure to like and subscribe. So I have some great videos, so you should watch those. And have a great day, or the rest of your day or night. And that's gonna be it. I'm out.